I am Niall Marty from Best RV in Turlock, California. Today we're presenting you, it's an awesome deal, and not just a deal as the Keystone, they did it right. They tried to get a travel trailers with a big slide out more affordable to the consumer. So the consumer, they could buy it and enjoy camping and still in the budget of 20s. So I am inside a brand new floor plan. It's called 2025 Keystone Springdale 244 RBC. What does that mean? 244 RBC. It is a 25 to 26 feet overall length, big slide out, 14-foot slide out, where you have a nice sofa and a nice diner facing a nice entertainment centers. So while I'm sitting on the sofa, I have a full entertainment centers where I could put my big TV here, a lot of big closets, a lot of storage. There's a nice hanging coat, like you see I'm hanging my coat over here, shelf storage. You could use this as a way to sit and do your shoes before you go outside. So as soon you walk in, you're facing a nice jackknife sofa, which is turned to a bed, as you see right here. And you have full storage underneath it. And when you sit at the sofa, I am facing the nice entertainment center where I could put my big TV. I could put 40-inch TV right there and big closet. And then right next to it, I have a nice dinette with the storage underneath it and a table. And across from it, as you see, the big kitchen where I have the 11 cubic foot reefer, 24 volts, a lot of storage, a lot of cabinet, the two-tone colors, the white plus, the gray, nice 3-burner range with a convection microwave. So this is microwave as well electric oven. Place for my trash can, more storage. It's very roomy. So this floor plan 244 RBC is mean a rear bath, front walk around queen bed, sofa dinette, and the sofa facing the TV, and the kitchen across the dinette. Walking from here, we're gonna go walk to the bedroom. So I have queen bed in the front, walk around, storage on the sides, more closet, bed storage underneath. And by the way, the other half is a storage from outside. You have half storage from outside, half storage from inside. You have a nice place for another TV for the bedroom over here. There's support, nice pocket door for privacy. And then when you go to the end, that's a nice surprise. Look how big it is. As you see, it's a huge. I could dress up here. It's a big rear bath. As you see, a nice sink in the middle with more counter space on the right and the left of the sink. A lot of cabinet. Could put a place for trash can. 4 doors, 4 doors. Medicine cabinet for his and her, or 2 for her and 1 for his. Big linen closet. Look how big this shower. Huge. A fan, come with the fan and a vent. Come with the curtains. Nice big showers in the back. And also it has the full privacy. So if you don't want nobody see, you just close it and voila. So now, why Keystone? They made the Springdale 244 RBC. They did it to be more affordable, where they could give you a full travel trailers with a walk-around bed in the front and a 14-foot slide and a big kitchen and a 12-volt cubic foot reefer and a huge bathroom, and a price no one could even touch for $28.99. What are you gonna find this unit for $28.99? Loaded, it has everything you want to go camping, and we make your monthly payment very low if you want to finance it. If you don't want to finance it, it's no big deal, no problem. but for $28.99. Same trip in other brands. Unfortunately, you have to pay close to $35,000. But at Best RV, we made this unit for you only for $28.99. Big trailer, 26 feet, overall with the walk-around bed, big slide, big bathroom, only for $28.99. It's a brand new 2025 Springdale 244 RBC.